Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 1, that is about 1 square. S, that is about the square root of s to the power of 2. Because this one equals to this one. Next, we have the formula in here. A square minus b square equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So now, we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we simplify on numerator and denominator. And now we put number 1 cone here. So we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.